To assist RV owners with general maintenance tips and maximize the performance of their Suburban gas appliances, Suburban is pleased to present the Suburban Water Heater series of instructional videos to properly maintain your appliances. Video 5 Series 1 is titled Odor Elimination. Suburban water heaters are recognized throughout the RV industry for their outstanding reliability and durability. Properly maintaining the water heater tank will aid in extending the lifespan of the appliance. Sometimes when operating the water heater, you may smell a rotten egg smell coming from the water. First, you should determine if the smell is coming from the hot water system or both the hot and cold water systems. To determine this, you should turn on a hot water faucet, check the smell of the water, and then turn it off. Do the same for the cold water side. This will steer you to the root cause of the odor. If the smell is coming from both the hot and cold water system, the issue may be in the freshwater system. Bacteria could be present in the freshwater system, and the system should be flushed and properly treated to remove the bacteria. If you smell an odor similar to rotten eggs only coming from the hot water system, it could be caused by a high level of sulfur or bacteria in the water reacting with the anode rod. Odor from the hot water system is not always considered a service problem, as many water supplies contain sufficient amounts of sulfur to produce an odor. It's not harmful, only unpleasant to smell. The remedy to eliminate odor caused by bacteria is chlorination of the water system. Here's what you do. Suburban recommends adding about 6 ounces of chlorinated common household liquid bleach to each 10 gallons of water in the freshwater tank. Add the bleach to a 1-gallon jug of water and use a funnel to pour it into the freshwater holding tank. Turn off the electrical, gas, and water supply to the appliance. Open a hot and cold faucet to relieve the pressure. Remove the anode rod and allow the tank to drain. Caution, do not drain the water heater tank if it is hot or under pressure. Apply Teflon tape or a thread sealant approved for potable water to the anode rod threads. Reinstall the anode rod. Turn on the water pump to refill the tank. Run the chlorinated water throughout the hot water plumbing system, opening each hot water faucet one at a time until you smell the chlorine. Let the RV sit for a minimum of 12 hours and the chlorine will eliminate the problem. Remove the dead bacteria and chlorine by draining the water system and flushing the system with fresh water. This may take several attempts. You may consider adding a filtering system that removes chlorine and prevents sulfur water. If the odor problem continues, flush the system again as described earlier. Another cause of the rotten egg smell is the reaction of the anode rod to the sulfur in the water. A byproduct of this reaction is hydrogen sulfide, which also smells like rotten eggs. To slow this reaction down, you may want to use an anode rod which is made of aluminum instead of the standard magnesium anode rod. You should consult a local repair facility for more information about replacing your magnesium anode rod with an aluminum one. It has been suggested that removal of the anode rod and replacing it with a plug will eliminate the smell. This is not recommended, as this will significantly reduce the life of the water heater tank. By following these simple steps, you can properly maintain your RV water heater, which should extend the life of the water heater. This concludes Video 5 Series 1 of the Suburban Water Heater series.